Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off app sounds in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our pins. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on account management. And then we tap on app sounds to toggle whether it's on or off. Yeah, if we want to have app sounds on, we can just leave it at on because that's the basic setting, or we can turn it off by tapping on the toggle button, and it's not going to play any sounds for any actions that we do with the app. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I see you in the next one.